In Salesforce, an object is a collection of data that is used to store and manage information. The lead is a specific type of object that is used to track and manage potential customers who have expressed interest in a business's products or services. So, what information is stored in the lead object? Some common data points that are tracked include the lead's name, contact information, company, and the product or service that the lead is interested in. Additional fields can be added and customized to meet the specific needs of a business. The lead object is a key part of the Salesforce platform and is used by sales and marketing teams to track and manage potential customer relationships. It allows businesses to store and access important information about leads in one central location and track their progress through the sales funnel. In addition to tracking leads, the lead object can also be used to store information about the sources of leads, such as social media or online advertising. This can help businesses better understand the effectiveness of their marketing efforts and identify opportunities for improvement. Overall, the lead object is a powerful tool for businesses looking to generate new sales and improve their customer relationships. By tracking and managing leads in Salesforce, businesses can get a better understanding of their potential customers and make informed decisions about their sales and marketing strategies. If you want to know what an opportunity is, check out our video on the opportunity object. We hope this has helped you understand the role of the lead object in Salesforce. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe so that you can stay up to date with the latest videos.